Right, here we are, the Thompson Brothers. We're going to Birmingham on the train. We're going from Kidderminster, is it?
We certainly are.
Kidderminster, so we're going to get the train, so we're going to hit the train and where we go?
Jump on the back of it.
Jump on the back of it,
like
yeah.
Indiana Jones.
Yeah.
And there it goes.
And there it goes, yeah.
Quick run. Run, Forrest.
We'll see you on the train.
Yeah.
Adios.
See you later.
Junction,
They want
Waverley Heath,
yeah.
Waverley Bridges, Smith at Gorton Bridge, the Hawthorns, Jewellery Quarter,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whitney Manor,
That's Dave.
and
All right.
Dulwich.
Yeah.
You all right?
Well, we're on the train to Birmingham now. There you go.
There we are.
Hold on to your hats.
Like snow hill.
Yeah.
We go there. We have the old station and we across the road. And we walked into the
Right, we made it.
We did. Fantastic it was. So easy, wasn't it? Easy it were.
Right, Dave.
It was brilliant. Fantastic.
Yeah,
No driving.
I've Dave fell asleep, didn't
We
he?
did,
I
yeah.
fell asleep on Steve's lap. Nick was on my lap.
And I disappeared, so I don't know where I went.
Yeah. So we're at Birmingham Snow Hill.
Snow Hill Station.
It's not snowing.
No,
It's
it's
sunny.
not a hill.
And we're going to go for a drink.
Yeah.
Well, coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee or tea or something like that,
That was fantastic. That was 35 minutes from Kidderminster. Marvellous.
yeah.
Marvellous.
I know Steve used the new e-tickets. And we got there.
Very technical.
Very
Yeah.
technical, yeah.
Yeah.
Dead easy.
No worries. So we're off.
Right.
Catch you later. Well, we're in the, is it Grand Central site?
This is Grand Central.
Yeah.
It certainly is. Yeah.
What's up, Dave? You alright, Dave?
I'm alright.
What's that? You alright?
I'm Robin Hood. Picking your pocket, you don't know.
Yeah, we're in the Grand Central. Apparently there's loads of food. Ooh, got all the food here. Woohoo! Oh, Spanish tapas. Yeah, I'll show you this. Look at this. Got the farm beer boat there. Oh yeah. Swings in there, got the swings in there. You alright, Dave?
Yeah.
Where are we going? Just down the walk
Go
out?
around here. I think.
Just carry on, yeah.
I mean, it goes round that way anyway.
Does it?
Gets on.
We should have come in here first, Dave, so we got a coffee. Yeah, probably is. The coffee's not too bad, is it? Oh, Hong Kong.
I do like that.
Grapes, yeah. What is it, grapes? Go now. No, Steve?
Yeah.
What you want to say?
It looks different from Christmas time, that's for sure. It is different, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very different.
It's a different day.
That's a bit different up there as well.
What's all the different stuff?
So, we're at the Secret Garden in Birmingham.
I think it's Birmingham, yeah.
Is it Secret Garden?
It's so secret, don't know what it
It's
is.
not secret.
Yeah, we'll try to get this a bit higher up, but that's as far as we can go due to COVID, basically. So, behind us is the BT Tower, I think. Yeah. Is that right, guys?
That's right, yeah, BT Tower.
Yeah.
It says BT on the side of it.
It says BT on the side, yeah.
Unless it's Bertie Thompson, I don't know.
Bertie Thompson, yeah. So, quick.
Yeah.
Looks, I think we're high enough of it at the moment. Right, we're going to get.
Your knee's shaking, Steve, with your height. You've got to tremble.
Just hold me because I'm going to jump off in a minute.
Are you,
Just hold me.
are you shaking there, Steve?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
Shaking Stevens.
Shaking
Stevens. Right, we'll go and get a sandwich or something. Come on, Steve. We're getting Birmingham. Where we go? Yeah. You're through now, aren't you? So it doesn't really matter. Back to Kiddie.
Welcome to
Down
this
here.
service for Kidderminster, calling at Jewellery Quarter, the Hawthorn, Smithwick Bridge,
Come here.
Stanley Green,
Jumping there.
Valley Region, Old Hill, Cradley Heath.
Steaming up here.
Like bank robbers. They were bandits. Yeah, they were bandits.
Groupie, yeah.
But it was yesterday.
Groupie there, I feel like one.
They were bandits. That's what you may go. Very cute.